This is the Holiday Coral Pixel Trim System. The Pixel Trim System is designed for mounting a variety of different types of RGB lighting. That includes nodes, both square and bullet style, ribbon or strip, and brilliant bulb or C9 style bulbs. Now, this can be used in a variety of different solutions and combined together in any combination to get the color, spacing, and light types that are specific to your unique installation. So let's start off with the different portions of this system. First, we have the mounting strip. Now, this mounting strip can be used either vertically, such as on the corner of buildings or outlining a door or window. It can also be used horizontally, such as on fascia along the side of a gutter or other structure. It can also be used in angled situation, such as on gables or roof outlines. And we'll show you how this system has the flexibility to adjust to different angles. Right, now we also have different colors. We have black or white, and then black, and not shown here, is white of the brilliant bulb mounting. Now, the system also is comprised of icicles, so we can combine an outline together with icicles. So if you want to combine even multiple different types of lights, such as nodes to outline your fascia, and then bulbs to be your icicles, or any combination thereof. All right, how we first get this structure onto the property or building is by mounting it to a substructure. So that substructure can either be EMT pipe, here, 1/2 inch, or it can be PVC pipe. And PVC pipe has an advantage. It can be used with our 770 pipe clip. This pipe clip allows you to mount this to the structure of your house or building and then clip the pipe into that. The pipe itself is then attached to the mounting strip, which has the lights. This has some other advantages. It allows you to build everything off the property or off the building and then install everything onto the property or building by simply just clipping it into these clips. And so removal or installation or repair is easy and quick because you just simply remove it from these clips. That also makes storage easy because these are in just whatever lengths you find appropriate. They could be a few feet to 10, 15, or 20 feet. Right, now let's go through the uniquenesses of this strip. So when the strip comes, you'll notice that it's black and white, as we mentioned, and that can be any choice you'd like, combination thereof. Now what we do is we simply splice them together. So if you need longer lengths, you'll notice that their holes line up. And this allows us to perfectly match the spacing. So as you go from one to another strip, the spacing remains perfect. All we simply do is we just cut right here and cut right here as shown. And we simply just use zip ties to come through these and tie them together. Now, the spacing can be adjusted as mentioned. Just simply skip additional holes if you wish to have wider spacing. The spacing here is 1 inch. Now, you also can choose to how many zip ties you wish to put in here. So depending upon your wind load and other factors, you can put more or fewer zip ties to hold the strip onto your support structure pipe, EMT or PVC pipe. All right, now this is designed for nodes or strips. You'll also see that there are 2 holes right here. This allows you to run regular pixel strip, usually sold in 5-meter lengths, and you can zip tie it periodically to this area. And that allows you to mix combinations such as nodes for icicles and strip for lower cost on here. All right. Now, we also have the pixel mounting strip, same design, same system, same mounting with zip ties to a PVC or EMT structure, but this time we have push to load standard C9 brilliant bulb mounting on 2-inch spacing. So if you have our 8-inch, you just skip the appropriate number. Now this is also again available in white. So let's go into a little bit more detail how we can combine these products together. So if we're doing icicles, we have icicles available in black or white, and in brilliant bulb or node style. And those can be customized. So you can simply chop these with regular scissors. So if you want a shorter icicle or random icicles, all you have to do is take scissors and cut them. In this configuration, we have a total of 16 nodes along the entire length. You'll also notice that we have the same hole structure that we have here, and that allows you to mount strip if you want strip icicles. Now, up here at the top of each of the icicles, we have 5 holes. These 5 holes, 2 on the sides, are designed for vertical mounting. So if this is mounted horizontally, such as on a fascia, and you want your icicles hanging directly down 90 degrees to the horizontal, you simply put 2 zip ties on each side and you're good to go. That will maintain them and they will not shift or change angle. All right. Now, if you want them to be angled, we have a connector that's included with these icicles if you choose, and they simply mount in here and they mount to the center hole. And so by simply sliding this behind, putting the connector in here, and we will show you a completed system in a moment, you allow you to move this at any angle. So if you are going up a area where you have a gable, part of a roof, and you need these to go down at a different angle because let's say you have a 6-on-12 roof pitch, you can do that. All right, now also you can adjust the spacing as you choose. So we don't have predetermined spacing. This allows you, if you want, to create random horizontal spacing as you go along, or vertical spacing. So if you want to, again, trim these icicles to a shorter length, you can make them completely random, not only on the X but the Y dimensions. And simply by lining them up, you can see again that you have these holes, and this just simply lines up, and you can see that you can have them very close together, or you could have them further apart, or further and further and further and further. So it's completely up to you what combination you want. Now, you'll also notice that we can have different colors. So for example, you may want your icicles to be white and your trim to be black. That is perfectly fine. If you want white trim and white icicles, not a problem. If you want to combine brilliant bulbs on your outline, but with nodes or strip on your icicles, no problem. If you want icicles as nodes or brilliant bulbs and the outline as brilliant bulbs, no problem. All these can be completely customized by you. All right, so let's show you a completed system with some examples. So here we have a completed system. So let's first show you the angle. So let's pretend that we have a house and we're going up at an angle on the edge of a roof. Here you can see that our bulbs are completely adjustable. So this pivots down so that we're facing down towards the ground so that it has perfect vertical alignment. So it doesn't matter what size or what spacing your house is. So if you have a 6-on-12, 12-on-12, anything up to 60 degrees off of horizontal can be easily accommodated through this system. And again, these are adjustable. So if you want the icicles to be very close together or spaced out far apart, again, completely adjustable. All right, and in this case, you can see we have brilliant bulb and we have brilliant bulb for our icicle here. All right, so the next thing we have is we have a combination of the brilliant bulb on our top with black, and then we have standard black nodes, or this could be strip. Here is a completed non-moving section of brilliant bulbs with both top vertical and horizontal on this. Now, here we have a combination of nodes along the top, and if we flip this over, we can see that these are square nodes, and then we have bullet nodes. So either of these will work. And as we mentioned, you can also adjust the spacing. So if you need to skip a hole to go a different distance, not a problem. Now here we have nodes along the outline, and then we have brilliant bulbs for our icicles. Here we have a node plus node icicle. Here we've transitioned over into white. So here we have a node-based icicle with a pivot, with a matching white pivot point, and so you can see that that completely adjusts automatically. Here we have strip mounted along the top portion with zip ties. That strip is combined with nodes in this example, or here's a pure 100% all strip or ribbon system, and so you can see that we have all ribbon. So as you can see, this system is extremely versatile. Now we do recommend planning everything out because while this is customizable, that does bring a little bit of complexity to it. So if you need help with it, feel free to reach out to us at Holiday Coro and we're happy to help you with that design or answer any questions you have. Again, this is the Holiday Coro Pixel Trim System.